So you all must have heard of something called Chat GPT or OpenAI. So basically Chat GPT is an AI chatbot that is one of the most intelligent and creative bots you'll ever find. So it was launched in November 2022 and as of now it's free to use. So what you want to do is you want to go to the OpenAI website and create an account. You have to click on the pop-up at the top of the website. It will take you to the Chat GPT website and create an account if you haven't got one already. And you got to go through these rules and prompts pretty carefully because you're not supposed to share any sensitive information on this website. And once you log in, you can join their Discord server for support if you need to. There are a lot of discussions that happen there, as you can see. So once you're done exploring the Discord server, it's a pretty big one. They've got some art galleries and stuff. So once you're done with that, you can go back to the Chat GPT website and start your chat with an AI chatbot. So this chatbot does a lot of things for you. That is, you can ask it questions, definitions, mathematical equations, and even ask it to write programs for you. So in this first question, I've asked it the working of a quantum computer, and it gives me the entire description and pretty quickly. And it's the cost of running these chatbots on servers is pretty costly. So ChatGPT, you may have to pay for it in the future. But as of now, the service is free and it is really helpful. So you can ask it questions, ask it to write programs, and it does everything really quickly and seamlessly. Like this is a simple program to multiply two numbers in Java. It also tells you what you need on your computer to run these programs and a variable description of each program and command that it gave you as a response to your question. Now the variable descriptions are mentioned in the code, angular brackets, along with the double slash before the lines of code. So this tells you what each line of code is actually doing, and you can copy the code and paste it into any text editor, say Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code. I personally use Visual Studio Code because it's the most versatile and really easy to use. So you can ask it for HTTP proxy servers and stuff. It will even give you those programs pretty easily. So if you don't understand the variable description or the description of each command line in the code, it gives you a description below the program as well. As you can see, after this program, it's going to give us the type of file we need to have and the Java library that we need to use to run the program. And below that, it also tells you it also gives you the description of the program and how the program is being run. You can also ask it to code Discord bots for you if you're new to this. It will give you a format to write a Discord bot. Using the format, you can use your creativity to improvise it and make it even better. So basically, I've done a bit of research on ChatGPT, and they run it on servers where it's multiple instances running at a time. So basically, as you start chatting with it, it is a continued sequence. So you can ask it a series of questions and it will give you answers based off your previous questions. So it is not like every time you ask a question you get a new response. It is a continued chat sequence, which is a very good thing. And it's also, you can ask it to regenerate answers. So suppose you ask it a definition or something and you don't like the way it answered you the first time, you can ask it to regenerate the answer and it will try to improvise on its previous answer. So this is the element of creativity that this bot has, which I think is a completely new realm in the world of AI and chatbots. So basically that's everything about this AI chatbot. There's a lot more to it and you can check it out on your own on the OpenAI website, and I feel it is a really good bot if you want to get used to programming Discord bots and HTTP servers and stuff. So it gives you the program and you can improvise on it. So definitely go check it out. It's free to use.